Welcome to the 9th square in this series, the up and down square. For materials, we will need a basic size 4 yarn. I am again using the color linen, a size 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will loosely chain 23. For row 1, we will single crochet into the second chain from hook, then place a double crochet into the next chain spot, go back to a single crochet into the next spot, then a double crochet, and just alternate single crochet, double crochet down the length of the row. When you're done with this row, you will have 22 stitches. For row 2, we will chain 1 and turn. Now, place a single crochet into the top of the double crochet. Now place a double crochet into the top of the single crochet. Back down to a single crochet, then a double, and repeat this alternating pattern down the row. This pattern is very simple, and you will repeat row 2 until your square reaches approximately 7 inches. When your square is at 7 inches, or as close as you can make it, chain 1 and turn. Now, place 3 single crochets into the corner. Then, place 25 single crochets evenly spaced across the side. Repeat this around the square. Each corner gets 3 single crochets, and each side gets 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To finish the first round of the edge, join with a slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. The second round, chain 1, single crochet into the same spot. Now into the next stitch, place 3 single crochets. After the corner, you will place 27 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Continue this around the square. 3 single crochets into each corner, and 27 evenly spaced single crochets along each side. To finish the edge, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Then chain 1, pull up a long loop, cut the loop and pull out your working yarn, and then tighten the knot. Your square is done. The front side of this square is where your starting tail is on the bottom left-hand corner.